Lone Wolfer is doing his death-defying feat of walking across the timber for no apparent reason. Motorcycle stripes.
So you touch your thumb and your pinky, you got two. Okay. So that makes your hands are better at grabbing stuff and you're good at climbing.
I did love to climb as a kid, so that might be it.
So I got bit by a human. You can see one of the teeth marks right there. And they bit partially to the tendons, and when I was going through physical therapy, it's like when I got bit, I was like, why can't I move my finger? And then I flipped it over and there was a tooth in it. Oh wow. Because I yanked his tooth out of his mouth.
She actually was a vampire.
Oh.
She just didn't do the whole,
I think she was a zombie.
Down biker. That's true.
Bring your flower.
Lone Wolfer is doing his death-defying feat of walking across the timber for no apparent reason. There's a trail just 10 feet to the right. Oh, can he even turn around? We don't know yet.
Pressure's getting to him. Nope.
Oh, and the judges 0.0, 0.0, -1. Is your intercom off?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why. Yeah. That's why I'm hearing static. No static. You know, the Steely Dan?